Creating a Wix website for social media marketing agency is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to sign up for a Wix account and choose a template that suits your agency's needs. Wix offers a wide range of templates that are specifically designed for marketing and advertising agencies. Once you have selected a template, you can start customizing it by adding your agency's logo, images, and content. You can use Wix's drag and drop editor to add pages, sections, and features to your website. Make sure to include essential pages such as home, about, services, and contact to make your website more engaging. You can add social media feeds, customer testimonials, and portfolio examples. You can also use Wix's built-in SEO tools to optimize your website for search engines and improve your online visibility. When it comes to designing your website, keep it simple and professional. Use a consistent color scheme and font style throughout the website. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. In terms of content, focus on highlighting your agency's services and expertise. Use clear and concise language to explain your services and how they can benefit your clients. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your work and make your website more visually appealing. Finally, once you have completed your website, make sure to test it thoroughly and publish it. You can also use Wix's analytics tools to track your website's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve it. By following these steps, you can create a professional and effective Wix website for your social media marketing agency that attracts and engages your target audience.